TVS King needed a new windscreen and a new roof because it was involved in an accident. The owner was hurt and so was his wife. I hope they have both recovered well. As part of the service campaign in Tagaytay, TVS kindly fitted a windscreen and a new roof with free labour costs. All he had to do was pay for the windscreen and the roof, and the fitting was free. Personally, I would not use a screwdriver to fit a windscreen. The reason being, I've seen a windscreen broke by using a screwdriver. Also, the screwdriver can slip and damage the paintwork. Windscreen fitters always use string to fit this type of windscreen. You can see a little clip in this video, and there's a link below to a video showing how to fit a windscreen using string.